Chevrolet pickup time here. We have a 1991 Chevrolet 1500. Regular cab, long box. Nice looking truck. This particular truck actually spent the majority of its life in Montana. So we're going to go around the cab corners, take a look at those close, around the rear wheel wells, front wheel wells. Show you, seems to be a pretty solid truck. Previous owner also took fluid film and applied to the bottom side of this, which you can see in the still pictures, and that is a rust inhibitor. So undersides also look good on this one. If you want to check out those still pictures, so you can see the underside interior engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Trucks have been hot lately. If you're interested, don't be afraid to call. There are a few spots on the hood where they have been touched up, but I mean the paint does show its age a little bit. But overall, again, nice shape. Interior also nice shape on this Silverado cloth bench seat. Now, this one is powered by a 305. 5-liter underneath the hood, and that is paired with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Tires are newer. Riding on white wall radials. All right, one of the spots that you always want to take a look at on these cab corners, and these do not appear that they have been replaced. You can still see you get the rock guard or chip guard back there also. So if you look down at the bottom side of this, take a look. Looks good. Let's go around this rear wheel well. Lots of times you'll see them bubbling coming from the inside out. Looks good there also. You'll be able to check out pictures of the bed of this. Obviously you can see it's got the tonneau cover on it, but there'll be still pictures. Check out the bed. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See a new tailpipe there. This does have new exhaust from the muffler back. So muffler's new, tailpipe, rest of the rear exhaust. And you'll be able to see that in the underside pictures also. Come around to the driver's side here. We'll take a look at this. Now, it is a Silverado, so you do have power windows, power locks, tilt cruise, AM/FM cassette with equalizer. Nice setup in the interior of this too. Check this rear wheel well here again. See some touch-up paint right here, but it doesn't appear to be any sort of bubbling, anything like that. Come down to this cab corner. I did notice there is, looked like kind of a scuff or a little bit of a ding, but not much. Here it is. We can see it right there. Just a little bit of a ding on the bottom of that door. All right, take a look at this interior. And this is all stock interior. Truck has just slightly over 100,000 miles on it. It's your power windows and power locks, but look at the door panel. Nice shape. Lots of times you see these cracked or very soiled or dirty above the armrest. Carpeting, good shape. Now it's kind of tough, this interior. Here's the true color of it. I mean, it is more of a burgundy, darker like this. If I get right up on top of it with the camera, the pictures, it wants to wash it out. Just to let you know, there's your true color of the interior right there. You'll see what I'm saying. If I get up on top of it, it wants to wash it out like that. But it is darker burgundy. All right, let's fire this up. Again, 5-liter, 305 underneath the hood. There's your exact miles. 102,640. Again, AM/FM works. Cassette player equalizer. See the top of the dash, not cracked. Again, AC blows cold. Power windows, power locks work. Take a look at the headliner there if I can get the glare off the camera for you. There you go. What you'd expect a stock 1991 Silverado to sound like. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood. We'll shut this door up and pop the hood so you can take a look, see how that engine bay looks.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, as you can see, engine bay nice and tight. Chevy V8. And again, that's paired with an automatic with overdrive transmission. The 700 R4. See the compressor, everything working fine. And again, AC does blow cold, power steering, power brakes. Come down off high idle once it warms up there. There you have it. If you're looking for a nice 1991 Chevrolet C1500 Silverado, here you go. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.